Guys, it's the freaking mosquito truck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi there. Oh my god. It's the mosquito truck. Woohoo! Yeah. There he goes. Oh my god. There was the mosquito, guys. How are you guys doing on Lanterns Reviews? Hopefully you all are doing well. Now, I'm very popular for my mosquito videos, I want to say. So, yeah, but how are you guys doing? Yeah, but I'm probably the mosquito king because I've uploaded, you can hear it over there. It's a loud motherfricker. But I'm very popular, and I'm probably the mosquito king because I uploaded Pascal County mosquito control video. And a lot of people like the mosquito videos, but this is gonna be a mosquito video for you guys. So yeah, but guess I gotta wait again.